was a year ago when Rakesh sir gave us an illustrated class about deforestation, global warming and water scarcity. Every image he showed and things he shared that day was enough to make us sad and disturbed. He talked about a change which we have to start ourselves, right from our school.
Green Your School is a contest that we have been running with IGPC for the last 12 years. When we started in 2007, we just had 40 schools participating in this contest. But last year in 2019, we were able to take this number to more than 800 schools. These schools not only came from metro cities, but also from Tier 2, Tier 3 cities, and some came from villages too. Students who participate in this contest are just aged between 13 and 15 years. These students apply their knowledge of science to come out with ideas on how they can make their school more sustainable. The winning schools get prize money up to 4 lakhs, which they use to implement those ideas in their school campuses.
We love our school more than anything today. It's the best place to hang out, to study, to breathe. We love the atmosphere here. Each stage of the project's development, we were totally involved. The role of community members is very significant. Some of them now even work as volunteers on weekends to garden the plants.
We have launched what is called as Green Your School contest with tremendous support from UTC and Carrier coming in for the last 12 years. So this is the 13th year that we are organizing.
We build bird houses in the school compound to preserve the bird population because we have been taught about the role of birds and growth of plants by spreading the seeds to different places.
स्कूल में जो एक्टिविटीज हुई उनसे एग्जाम्पल लेके हमारे स्कूल के कई सारे बच्चे ने अपने घर में भी अच्छी एक्टिविटी की गई है.
Solar panel, biogas plant, flower bed with waste terracotta tiles, sprinkler system from waste plastic bottles, potable composite pit, drip irrigation, air extractors, vertical hanging garden, new chair from waste tires. We have succeeded in creating an awareness among villagers on water conservation by adopting water harvesting methods.
हर स्कूल में हमारे टेक्निकल स्टाफ की हेल्प से बच्चों को और टीचर्स को अवेयर किया जाता है, उनको समझाया जाता है कि अभी आपको स्कूल में क्या करना है. तो हर स्कूल की एक अलग यूनिकनेस होती है कि हर स्कूल में उसकी ज्योग्राफी अलग होती है, उसका वेदर अलग होता है, उसकी रिक्वायरमेंट्स अलग होती है. इसी चीज़ों पर स्टेट गवर्नमेंट फिर वर्क करती है.
In alignment with Sustainable Development Goals, the Green Your School programs has been created by the India Green Building Council and supported by Carrier in partnership with United Way of Delhi. And if through this program we are able to ignite these ideas in young minds, I am sure that the future of the planet and our country both are very bright.
Every corners of this place are familiar to us. Each plant and flower in the garden, all these facilities we were part to invent. Everything we have seen through these times is our family today. Yes, we carry happiness. Utilizing all the resources we are given, GYC brings smile to our school.